In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop, a versatile tool within the Microsoft 365 suite that enhances collaboration by allowing you to create and share dynamic components across various platforms. Imagine being able to insert shared pieces of content that update in real time, no matter where they're used. That's exactly what Microsoft Loop can do, and today we'll guide you through the basics to get started efficiently. To begin, you want to open up your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whichever you prefer. In the search bar, type Microsoft Loop and press Enter. This will bring up a list of results, but what you're looking for is the official Microsoft Loop page. Click on that link, and it should take you to the platform's main interface. If you've never used Microsoft Loop before, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout. Now that you're on the Microsoft Loop page, it's time to sign in. You'll need your Microsoft account credentials for this. If you don't have an account already, you can easily create one. Just follow the prompts to set it up. Signing in is crucial because it allows you to access all of the Loop's features and ensures that your work is saved and synced across the cloud. One of the unique aspects of Microsoft Loop is that its components aren't confined to just one app. You can actually create and share Loop components directly within other Microsoft 365 applications like Teams, Outlook, and Word. So, let's say you're working on a project in Teams. You can create a Loop component there to augment your collaboration efforts. Similarly, if you're drafting an email in Outlook or working on a document in Word, you can integrate Loop components seamlessly. Now, within the Loop app, there's a world of possibilities for what you can create. You can build tables, task lists, or even draft paragraphs effortlessly. A nifty trick to speed up this process is using the / command or exploring the insert options available to you. Simply type a / and a menu will appear with a list of components you can add. This intuitive tool ensures that you have all the essentials at your fingertips to create dynamic and flexible shared components. Sharing is caring, and that is especially true with Microsoft Loop. Once you've created a Loop component, you can share it with colleagues or collaborators. The magic happens when others have access. They can edit the component in real time. These changes will be instantly reflected across every platform where the component is used, ensuring everyone is on the same page. And there you have it, a simple guide to using Microsoft Loop to enhance your collaboration efforts within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Feel free to explore further and experiment as you get more comfortable with it. Thanks for tuning in, and happy looping.